Imagine we have a South African soft drink company who's looking to expand elsewhere into Southern Africa. One of the first things they can do is take a look at the GAIN index. Which countries actually rank similarly to South Africa? And if you take a quick look at this slide, you'll see that Botswana, Namibia, Swaziland, Zambia all rank quite high, almost comparable. So then what's the next question? What they're really interested in is which countries have a low water vulnerability, because water is the critical issue, and which countries have a high capacity to deal with the coming climate change. And when you look at this graph, you'll see that, again, we've got Botswana, Namibia, and Swaziland up there high in the area of possible selection. So then the next question is, what's the business risk? If they take this into a boardroom, they're going to ask about this business risk. Now, of course, the company will have many of their own measures, but even just drawing into the GAIN index, we can put together a sub-index just on business risks. And you see the list down the side there that explains what those parts of the index are, and you see again the rankings. The same countries are up there. Botswana is clearly one of the target countries that they might be looking at. So how is Botswana doing compared with other middle-income countries? Is it doing better or worse? Well, you can look at this table here, which compares Botswana with that block of countries. And the first thing we see here is that on sensitivity to water impacts, Botswana is doing very well. Very, very good news for the company, because that's the risk. You'll see also that they're doing well on the management of their ecosystems, which of course is Botswana's tourism industry. But there are some bad indicators here as well. Unfortunately, Botswana is going to be more impacted by climate change in the future than most other countries or in the middle income group. But it's got the capacity to deal with it. So that overall is a good news for the country. So the real challenge then is to move on, look deeper into these sorts of data. And you can see that GAIN can act as that first introduction to the board of the climate risks they're going to have to face and deal with in the future.